One of my favorite features of this Fairfax Townhome is this beautiful kitchen. It's got double ovens, gas cooking, stainless appliances, tons of sun, as you can see, sliding glass door to a beautiful deck overlooking all the amenities in the community. This end unit features extra windows, lots of guest parking, and this beautiful family room. Don't miss this beautifully renovated hall bath, gorgeous tile, linen closet, beautiful vanity. Come check it out. Lastly, we've got this recreation room that can also be a bedroom. It's got a full bath attached to it, gas fireplace. Your laundry is down here, and it's extremely bright with recessed lighting, and it walks out to a beautiful stone patio.